we will provide the graphic card with power. This is not required for those who use internal graphic card. Make sure you use an anti-static strap or ground yourself to avoid damage to the components. We will make use of the PCI cable that comes with the power supply. It looks something like this. The colorful end, which is the grey end in my case, goes to the power supply and the other end goes to the graphic card. A few pins may be extra. Don't worry, they will just hang around. That's it with this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Please rate, comment, subscribe and visit techbarrack.com.